Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. What's up, how you doing, this is our Fembots costume. I'm super excited about this. If you've ever seen Austin Powers, it's one of my favorite movies, all three of them. Like, I watch them all the time. But I'm going to be a Fembot, so we're going to do a really cute soft makeup look and all that good stuff. But we're going to get into it when we get into it. This is a baddie of all trades type of vibes. So we do fashion, hair, nails, makeup, and all of that good stuff. If that's something that you're interested in, subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell for notifications so anytime I upload a video, you are notified. Make sure you give this video a big fat thumbs up, kiss that like button, comment down below, and make sure you share this video with your friends. Let's hop right into the pasta. So we're going to go ahead and do makeup now. This makeup is going to be very soft and womanly and feminine. I'm not even going to do eyeshadow for this look because it's really all about the costume and the hair. But we're going to do a cute little moment. We're going to do a quick little speed through of the makeup. I'm probably not even going to do a voiceover for it. We're just going to be cute. We're going to be cute. We're going to be chill. And we're going to do it and we're going to vibe it. Okay? So, yeah, let's do it. Okay, you guys, so we're starting off with our Fenty primer. We're just going to rub that all in. You already know. This is really my normal face, like no eyeshadow, no nothing. I kept looking at the pictures of the Fembots, and honestly, it was really just giving soft, subtle makeup look. So I really just kept it as soft, subtle makeup look. I didn't even do really anything that was, because of course, this Halloween, look, that's me talking to my baby. Of course, this Halloween theme is really about being a baddie. So in essence, like, I just wanted to keep it like an updated sultry fembot look, and I think I was able to achieve that part when it comes to the makeup. So you just see me doing my regular base makeup. Like, this is the makeup that I always do. So yeah, that's what you see me doing now. I'm going in with my contour, the Juvia's Place concealers is what I always use. I'm really repetitious, which is why when I used to do makeup on my channel all the time, it was like, girl, switch your products up. I am a very much like, I love these products, I'm gonna use this. This is my Beauty Bakery creme de la creme, I believe is the name, and I use this just to brighten the inner corner of my eyes or that under eye, just to make it nice and bright. I just love that look. It just lifts the face a little more, so I just love that. And then we shade, and then we do our our brows, and then we go in with our contour. And now I'm using the pink blush in that Morphe contour palette, same palette we used to contour. And then I'm using that pink highlight in there too, because this is very a pink look. And y'all know pink is my favorite color. I love a pink highlight. I love a pink on me. Okay, period. Pink, 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 pink. Pink, 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 pink. Okay. Then we do our lashes, our mascara. Then after mascara, these are Girls in the Hood from the Lash Goddess. We're going in with our Ramona Joan Cosmetics brown, and then I sprayed my face, and then I went in with the pink after the brown was all dried. Okay, so now we're gonna bring in the wig. This is the unit that I got. It's from Amazon. I believe it was like $20-$30. I can't really remember. I want to say it was closer to the $20 range, knowing me. It does come with that hump, but I do think the hump was a little big, which I do explain a little later. But yeah, you're just basically gonna see me styling it. I am like, oh my god, look at this thing. Very much interesting vibes. I don't really like the blonde of it. The blonde is super yellow. It's a weird kind of blonde, but it doesn't look bad on my skin. I just wish it was a little more like, I can't explain what I'm asking for. But I'm just trying to make the bang look a little bit neat. It's a little bit heavy right now, so I'm just trying to, get it together, trying to style it up, and make sure it looks like something, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's pretty much what is happening here, you guys. So I mean, we're just styling and profiling. No, we're trying to make it nice and cute and amazing because I really wanted to sit a certain way and just give off that fembot vibe. I'm kind of liking it. So now we're going to go show you the costume. It comes with two gloves, so a pair of gloves. It comes with a panty, little panties, and they are not high-waisted for the girls who may have a little bit more tummy. Just so you know, you can pull them up on the sides to make them give that more high-waisted look if that's something that you need. And then here is the teddy part, um, and it does have a zipper on the side, but this is how it looks. You can see. And then the last item is the item that goes in your hair. So I'm gonna put that piece in first before I go and change into my costume. Just finishing up those touches on the hair, making sure the hair looks good, making sure I like the hair with this little piece. And I think the piece made it look a lot better, you guys. So yeah. Hey guys, I can't say that I love the wig, but we're working with it. It's very much plastic vibes. It's not that cute. This just made it cuter. I'm trying to get the bang on my face. I don't feel like cutting because I did my makeup first. And I don't feel like having blonde hair all over my skin. So I'm trying to make it look as cute as possible. I'm not going to say it's horrible, but if I were you and I was going to do this costume, I would buy a bump it and then do it yourself, because this cone piece sits so high. I just think it sits too high. And this particular wig, I will put it in the comments, but it has no combs. So it's like, it feels like it's just going to fall right off. So I just want to be really transparent about the wig, but for the look, it's doing the best it can do, if that makes sense. Okay, so I just showed you guys the pieces that I have, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on the rest of the costume, and we will be right back. Yeah. Okay guys, you're gonna see the full body next to me, like I've been doing, because like you guys know, I don't have a lot of space, but neither here nor there. This is the costume. I'm gonna tell you how I feel about it. It's cute, but it's just not my fave. It's just not that dope. My daughter hates it. She's looking at me like, what the I couldn't really zip up the side. I mean, I can, but I needed to pull my boobs up, and it just looks a little bit weird. It's not enough space, and this is a 3XL, and I'm not even normally a 3XL. I bought a 3XL because I figured it would be not true to size, and it isn't. So, I don't know. Don't get me wrong, you'll see it next to me. Like, I'm always look cute. Like, I'm always be a vibe. But I just wish it fit a little bit better. For those who are like, ooh, I see this, I want to be a fembot. I would have, to be honest, I would say buy your own teddy and then DIY the feathers. As you can see, some of the feathers are poking out. Like, it just was made poorly. So I want to be very, very candid and honest about that. But we always slay, even if it's a bad outfit day. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this fembot tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I mean, hey, we win some, you lose some. It's not horrible. I just wish it was made a little bit better. But thank you guys so much. See you guys in my next video. Don't forget to join that flower gang by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Bye.